Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we are making a sweet and tangy flavored cookie. So let's see how to make these lemon cookies. Into a bowl, add in some room temperature butter. Then add some granulated sugar. Blend it till it is well combined. Now add in some lemon juice, lemon zest, and 1 egg. Give it a mix. Now for the dry ingredients, into all-purpose flour add in baking powder and salt and mix it. Now add this flour mixture into the butter little by little and mix it. Once all the flour is well incorporated, you can refrigerate this mixture for 5 to 10 minutes so that it will become a bit more firm and easy to handle. Now take around 1 tablespoon of this dough, make it into a ball. And place these balls in a baking tray and leave some gap in between because while baking it may spread. Now bake these cookies in a 180-degree preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Once these cookies are baked, you can have it right away. But I'm gonna make my favorite sugar lemon glaze for these cookies. Now take some powdered sugar, add in some lemon zest, now slowly add in some freshly squeezed lemon juice and mix it. And this is the consistency we are looking for. And here is our lemon cookies. They are perfectly baked. Now take each cookies and dip them in this lemon glaze and keep it aside. After 5 to 10 minutes, these lemon glaze will get dried up. Then you can store these cookies in an airtight container. So here it is, our sweet and tangy lemon cookies are ready. Each cookies are very soft in texture and has this beautiful flavor of lemon. So please try out this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.